Adam Fraser Milne is a New Zealand professional cricketer who plays limited overs cricket for the New Zealand national cricket team. He is a right-arm fast bowler. If you love this video to the end, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more updates. Adam Milne's biography. Real name Adam Fraser Milne. Nickname Milne. Pocket Rocket Sharky. Occupation Professional cricketer. Ethnicity white. Zodiac signs Aries. Date of birth April 13, 1992. Age 29 years. Place of birth Palmerston, North New Zealand. Nationality New Zealand. Religion Christian. Education Adam had attended the Palmerston North Intermediate Normal School and then the Palmerston North Boys High School. Net worth $10 million. Adam Milne's physical stats. Body type athletic. Height 6 feet 1 inch or 185.5 cm. Weight 80 kg or 176.5 lbs. Eye color blue. Hair color dark brown. Distinctive feature toned physique. Short cropped. Wavy hair. Clean shaven look. Adam Milne's family details. Father Roy Milne. Mother Margot Ferrick. Siblings Finlay Milne, brother. Dom Milne, brother. Adam Milne's cricketer career. Batting style right-handed bat. Bowling style right arm fast. Playing role bowler. Coach or mentor Shane Bond. Adam Milne's professional debut. ODI debut 10th November 2012 versus Sri Lanka at Mahinda Rajapaksa International Stadium. T20 debut December 26, 2010 versus Pakistan at Eden Park. IPL debut April 12, 2016 versus Sunrisers Hyderabad at M. Chinnaswamy Stadium. Adam Milne's girlfriend name Jane Lawrence. 2016 to present. Adam Milne and Jane Lawrence as seen in March 2019. Adam Milne or Instagram.
Adam Milne's unknown facts. Adam Milne is a New Zealand cricketer who plays as fast bowler for the New Zealand cricket team. Adam Milne had played his first-class cricket for Central Districts in New Zealand and plays for Mumbai Indians in the IPL. At the age of 18, Adam Milne made his debut in first-class cricket for Central District against Canterbury in the 2009-2010 season. He received a call-up from Central District after Michael Mason went on national duty and replaced Jacob Oram in the New Zealand squad. Adam Milne in an interview talked about his love for fast bowling and his pace, where he told, "At the start of high school I was a runty kid and bowled little mediums. Then at the end of the sixth form, at Palmerston North Boys High School, I started bowling a lot quicker than I had before and that's when I thought if I run in hard I can bowl quicker than a lot of people." Adam Milne picked up a wicket from his second ball of his over on his first-class debut. He put up an impressive performance in which he took 4 wickets and gave away 52 runs. Adam Milne was selected by his domestic club for the 2010 Champions League T20 held in South Africa. He played 2 games in that tournament showcasing his talent with the ball. Adam Milne was touted as the next big thing in terms of fast bowling for New Zealand by the cricket pundits. Adam Milne's ability to consistently bowl at speed clocked between 145-150 kph was a special attribute that boosted his chance for a national call-up. Adam Milne made his international debut for New Zealand for the T20I series against Pakistan. He was also named on a list of 30 players considered for the 2011 World Cup, but he couldn't make it in the final cut. Adam Milne's growth in professional cricket was disrupted due to injuries he suffered from between 2011 and 12. However, he made a comeback for his national side after being included in the squad for the T20 World Cup held in Sri Lanka. Adam Milne was named in New Zealand's 2015 World Cup squad and played a crucial role for his side till the quarter-finals of the competition. He suffered from another injury that halted his momentum just before the semi-finals of the tournament. In 2015, Royal Challengers Bangalore bought Adam Milne in the IPL auction, but he could not feature for the side due to fitness issues. RCB retained Adam Milne for the next season but could manage to play only 1 game for them due to his hamstring and elbow injuries that kept him away for 1 year. Adam Milne bowled his fastest delivery that was clocked at 153 kph, which made him the sixth fastest bowler in the world in 2015. In 2017, he was featured in the 2017 ICC Champions Trophy, where he played 4 matches for the national team and put up a decent performance. Adam Milne made his debut in county cricket and NatWest T20 Blast for Kent Cricket Club, where he played 12 matches and picking up 28 scalps. He recorded the best bowling figures 5/11 for Kent against Somerset. Adam Milne joined his idol and mentor Shane Bond in the Big Bash League with Sydney Thunder, hoping to make a comeback ahead of the 2021 T20 World Cup for New Zealand and revive his international career, which stalled due to injuries. Adam Milne shelved his name in Australian T20 cricket record books for the second most economical spell in the Big Bash League with figures 1/6 off. His 4-over spell for his side Sydney Thunder, which lost to Adelaide Strikers by 6 runs in that match. He bowled 20 dot balls from his 25 deliveries that are an unusual sight in T20 cricket. Adam Milne was listed in the 2021 IPL auction at a base price of 50 lakh INR and was bought by Mumbai Indians for 3.20 crore INR after engaging in a bidding war with Rajasthan Royals and Sunrisers Hyderabad. Adam Milne's house address. Adam Milne lives in a luxurious house which is located in Palmerston North, Manawatu Wanganui, North Island, New Zealand. Adam Milne's social media. Twitter, 38.7k followers plus. Instagram, 154k followers plus.